Dear students, today the topic of the class is number system. In this class, we will be finding the decimal equivalent of a given number of base 4 and base 7. Let us start with the first problem. Find the decimal equivalent of 231.34 to the base 4. Start the solution. We are finding the decimal equivalent, so write it by capital N. As it is base 4, we will write it as how the numbering starts. We will write it here 231.34. So, it is 4 to the power 0, multiply this number by 4 to the power 0, 4 to the power 1, 4 to the power 2. Here multiply by 4 to the power minus 1, 4 to the power of minus 2. So, multiply 2 with 4 to the power 2. 2 into 4 to the power 2 plus 3 into 4 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 4 to the power of 0 plus 3 into 4 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 into 4 to the power minus 2. 2 into 4 to the power 4 to the power 2, 3 into 4 to the power 1, 1 into 4 to the power 0, 3 into 4 to the power minus 1, 4 into 4 to the power minus 2. So, it will come 32 plus 12 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.1875. After simplifying, it will be coming as 45.6875 in decimal. Okay. So, in this way we can convert a given number of base 4, that is, therefore, the solution is 231.34 of base 4 is converted to 45.6875 in decimal. Okay, 45.687. Let us do the next problem. Next question is convert 614.15 base 7 to its decimal equivalent. Coming to the solution. So, let us write the number here 614.15. What is the base here? 7. So, we have to take 7 to the power 0, 7 to the power 1, 7 to the power 2. Here 7 to the power minus 1, 7 to the power minus 2. So, multiply 6 into 7 to the power 2. So, decimal equivalent will be 6 into 7 to the power 2 plus 1 into 7 to the power 1 plus 4 into 7 to the power 0 plus 1 into 7 to the power minus 1 plus 5 into 7 to the power minus 2. On simplifying, 7 square means 49, 49 into 6, it will come as 294 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1 by 7, 1 by 7 is 0.1428 0.142857 plus 0.102. On simplifying, we will be getting as 305.24486 in decimal. So, how do we complete this conversion? By multiplying by 7 to the power 0, 7 to the power 1, 7 to the power 2 and so on, traversing in this direction. Okay, so what's the answer here? 614.15 of base 7 is converted to its equivalent decimal equivalent 305.24486. Okay. I hope you have understood the class. When the base is 4, you are multiplying by 4, and when base is 7, you are multiplying by 7. You have to remember this concept. Thank you, dear students. Good luck. You can post your queries in the comment section.